Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Icon Teacher. I am Satya Prasad. Recently I have uploaded videos on multiple choice questions and miscellaneous exercise questions for chapters, integrals, application of derivatives, and very soon I am going to upload the miscellaneous exercise problems of application of integrals. Please watch them and share the videos with the students who are writing the board examination of class 12. These MCQs will also help the students who are writing the competitive exams like IIT JEE Mains, MCET, BITSAT, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.